ready to unlock a world of high-fashion replicas without breaking the bank. Then buckle up, because this is your ultimate guide to mastering Pandabuy. First, head over to Pandabuy.com and create a free account. Make sure to use a valid email address, because you will need to verify it later. Now for the fun part, finding those grails. Use the search bar to look for exactly what you want. Be specific, and don't be afraid to use keywords like Nike, Adidas, or Gucci, along with the item you're after. Once you find an item, carefully examine the images, read the product description, and most importantly, check the customer reviews. This will give you a better idea of the quality and accuracy of the replica. After you have decided on the right item, add it to your cart and let your Pandabuy agent purchase it for you. The agent will act as the middleman between you and the seller. Once the item arrives at the Pandabuy warehouse, your agent will send you detailed quality check photos. This is your chance to spot any flaws or issues before shipping it to you. If everything looks good, select your preferred shipping method. Consider factors like cost, speed, and customs regulations in your country. Pandabuy offers multiple options, so choose wisely. And that's it. With Pandabuy, you can access a huge selection of replica items, ensuring you get the style you want at a price you love. Now go forth and flex with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more rep-related content.